P is fixed, means criteria is fixed. Criteria means what is counting. P how many times P has been repeated. It is getting counted, isn't it? So
Yes.
P will be fixed because this is criteria. For locking any cell or column, dollar is used. If you put dollar behind the column ID, then column will be fixed. And if you put dollar beside, sorry, behind the row, means numerical portion, then row will be locked. And if you put dollar uh, behind both of row and column, then everything will be locked. Just like here, this P cell AL, this cell AL5, AL file, sorry, 5 is completely locked here. See, AL5 completely locked. Why? Because dollar sign is here. That's why it is not changing. See, one by one, I'm going down. AL5 is fixed. Here I made one changes. That's why. See, one by one, one by one, I am going down, but AL is fixed. Are you looking on formula bar?
Yeah, A.
On formula bar, AL is fixed. See,
Yes. Yes,
and
yes.
also F is, I'm sorry, but F behind the F and AI, dollar is available. That's why F and AI is also, sorry,
Fixed.
yes, fixed. So dollar is used to lock the formula, to lock the cell.